Hello and welcome to the second episode of Beginner Scratch tutorial. Last episode we covered most of the motions category blocks. Today we'll be talking about a bit about some of the controls category blocks, and we'll be making a cool GIF out of Scratch Cat following the cake, leaving a nice trail behind him. Alright, last time we made these lists out of the motion blocks. Today we'll be moving on to the controls category. These blocks are very orangey, if I had to say. We'll be talking about wait 1 second, repeat 10 forever, and stop all when I start as clone, create clone of myself, and delete a clone. We'll not be talking about the middle ones because they are a bit hard to explain without the other blocks on Scratch. Alright, then I'll explain everything. The wait 1 second basically means the wait 1 second means that it waits 1 second to do something below it. For example here, Scratchy waits 1 second before moving 10 steps upwards. Very weird. The repeat block does the same thing, move 10 steps, but it repeats 10 times. So if I just stick a go to random position block, Scratch Cat goes crazy. Let's get that out. The forever loop is worse. It does it forever until something stops it. For example, the red button. Okay, let's stop that now. We'll make Scratchy sick. By the way, Scratchy is a little name I made for Scratch Cat. The middle bit, as I said, we're not going to talk about them today because they are a bit hard to explain without the other blocks on Scratch. The stop all block, however, can do the same thing with the red button. So when Scratchy is dancing, if we click that block, Scratchy will stop because of the stop all block. If I click on it, Scratchy stops. There's these other things, but they won't be needed until a later episode. So these 3 blocks are my personal favorite in the category because it makes Scratchy have clones. It's not a bit obvious now because they all appear to be at the same place, but if we stick a move 10, whoa, that is a lot of Scratchy. That is a lot. Because of the forever block, Scratchy will keep going. So that was the problem. We'll just set that to minus 90 degrees so Scratchy can walk properly. Now, so when I start as a clone, so when a clone starts, the clone does the thing that is under it. And in this case, the clone moves to a random position. The Scratchy is now filling the screen and can crash my computer, so let's start. With these blocks, we can make a very simple program. Oh, I forgot to explain the delete this clone block. Basically, what this does is it deletes this clone when it's told to. For example, after moving 10 steps, the clone will disappear. In this case, which we can't see because it deletes it before before our eyes can see. Yeah, we can't see that, so let's just move on. You'll have a chance to see it happen in action. Let me just tidy these blocks up. So, using these bunch of blocks, we can create a range of games or animations. The one we're about to make right now, actually. So, we'll make a simple GIF out of Scratch Cat and Cake, which is hidden right now. I'll just show that. Drag it to somewhere where Scratchy can reach after we set up the code. Okay. So, first, when green flag clicked, let's put in glide 1 second to Cake. Now if we click the green flag, not yet, point towards Cake. Don't make Scratchy look actually like following the cake. Oh, whoa, wait a second. I forgot to trash the remove the random position from the cake's right. And the code seemed to work. The Scratchy moves to where the cake is, and it takes 1 second to do so. Good. Now we'll add in a forever loop so we don't have to keep clicking green flag. Now if we click the green flag, we'll just set that to all around just so Scratchy can enjoy. Scratchy turns upside down, but we'll leave that for now. But woohoo! Now Scratchy Cat follows the cake without having to press the green flag. That's an improvement. Anyways, let me just drag the block to a clean space. Now Scratchy takes 1 second to follow the cake. But something's missing. We'll have a go to X blank, Y blank, so that Scratchy returns to his original place when we click the green flag. I'll set it to -100 and Y0. And just snap the forever loop back. Now we'll just pop in a create clone of myself after move 10 steps would be better, because after moving 10 steps, Scratch Cat will create a clone like that. Now there's a million Scratch Cat. Not like exactly million, but a lot. You get it, right? Now if we... Oh! Scratch Cat isn't making any clones anymore. Well, unfortunately, this does happen due to Scratch's 300 clone limit. The server means the server only allows 300 clones at all times. Look at how much clones he's made. It's endless. That's probably why he can't make any more. That's where the delete this clone comes in. It deletes its clone after when it's told to. Like glide 1 sec to cake. Whoa, that looks really cool. You gotta admit. Now Scratch Cat follows the cake, and it leaves a very good trail behind. Very satisfying trail indeed. We'll need to fix those we'll fix those little glitches in the later episode. What a lot of work we have been doing. Using all those scratch cats to just make him follow the cake. It's wonderful. And so satisfying as well. If you just set the cake to draggable, then you can just make Scratchy go wild with the cake. We'll improve the quality of this in the later episode as we learn more codes on Scratch. But for now, I think this is really good. Thank you for watching.